And I wanted also to add that you also can create bundle. This is kind of like private label again on the budget. So what you can do is actually you can pair some item, so you kind of find out that this is a bestseller and this is a bestseller, and let's say this toothpaste, and people somehow buy it together. You can look at this like on Amazon as well, like there is data what people buy together. And again, when we sell something on separate listings, we pay fee every single time we sell. But if we sell something on bundle, yeah, the fee will be bigger because it's like bigger item and probably more weight because of that. But we don't pay fee 3 times, we pay it 1 time. So what
Nice.
you can do, you can basically buy those 3 items, create a listing, create it under your name, like under your brand name, and it's gonna be like bundle 2 toothpaste and 1 face wash, and that is your listing. Nobody can jump on it, and it's name brand, which is like people like brand names items, people familiar with them, people buy them, and when they see value in your bundle, they buy it from you. The only thing I think I was missing, you need to add something else. You need to add, for example, some filler item. You need to sell, let's say, no name toothbrush with your name on it. Let's say it would be like Alien Marina. Let's say our brand on Amazon, like the name is like Alien Marina, right? So if we just put those 3 items, anyone can jump on the listing because like nothing would stop them. But if we add some kind of filler item, which is like, let's say, toothbrush with Alien Marina logo on it, meaning like it's private label, we branded it, right? So we can sell it as our brand, even it contains like several brand names products. And if anyone has interest, just like drop a comment, we can talk about that in another video.